Here's the water hydrogenator. Little on button there. And USB charge port made by that company. Should be able to see the little bubbles in there. The hydrogen bubbles, I should say. Takes about 3 minutes. And of course, there's lights at the bottom to kind of show you that it's still doing stuff. Figure kind of do it in the dark just so you can see stuff, you know. That's better. I don't do a lot of videos, so so far so good, you know. We'll just do the full length for this, might as well. When it's done, there's 3 beeps at the end, but the oddball thing too is when it says it has like impurities or whatever, it gives 3 beeps and then stops, so it's kind of confusing, you know. Not sure if the light is too bright or not, but has a lanyard on it that is not removable unless you just cut it off. And I just got this morning, sorry, actually yesterday. Rather not cut it off. Let's say for $20, it might not $20. Sorry. Good old person brain. I forgot how much it was at the moment. But regardless, I'd say $25 to $30 range. Not horrible, but good if you can have a gift card from Amazon for it. So it's good. I do like the fact that it's USB chargeable because a lot of people have USB cords, so that helps. And yes, this is on top of a washing machine just to give it a nice flat white surface, you know. There you go, 3:18. That's not bad. Or maybe about 3 minutes because I was doing stuff with the video. Seems good. Tastes great. It's day 1 of doing this. Put water through a filtration system first, you know, gravity fed ones, and then put it in here and good to go. I like it a lot, and hopefully it really helps. You don't really start seeing the benefits till about 3 days later, so try one out and go from there.